Hey there, sweet potato pancakes, 100% Canadian real maple syrup, blueberries, strawberries, and raspberries. It doesn't get any better for a pre or post-ride adventure meal. Alright, so here's my ingredient list. Everything is organic, going left to right. Blue cornmeal, buckwheat flour, mashed sweet potato, soy milk, apple cider vinegar, maple syrup, mashed banana, baking powder, baking soda. We're going to combine all the dry ingredients first, stir it, and then we're going to add all the wet ingredients and combine until you have a pourable mixture. Now you could fold in some nuts like walnuts, you could put some cinnamon, you could even use blueberries if you wanted to really up this. But anyways, I have a heated skillet. I just put a touch of extra virgin olive oil to prevent sticking. And once you get them on here, about a minute, and flip them. You'll notice that they'll be ready once you start getting bubbles forming in the batter, and they're ready to flip. And do this repeatedly until you get enough to eat. So here I've plated a bunch of pancakes. Got my berries, my 100% real Canadian maple syrup. You could also add, if you wanted to boost the protein, some peanut butter, almond butter, and some vegan yogurt, but yum. Ready to eat, absolutely delicious. Hey, thanks for watching. Share and subscribe to the plant-based Scratch Kitchen. Here's the ingredient list.